this problem is asking us to take a look at the function f of x and rewrite it so that we have the minimum value of it appearing as a constant or coefficient. Well, because this is a quadratic equation, it would become a parabola. So because it's asking for a minimum value, you can imagine a parabola. And so really the minimum is the same thing as the vertex, which means we need to rewrite this equation to be in vertex form. And remember, vertex form looks something like a multiplied by x minus h squared plus k, where h and k are the x and y coordinates of the vertex. So, I mean, based on that, we know the answer is has to be C or D. Those are the only two that are written in that format. Now, how do we write this into that form? Well, our first step is going to be to expand it. And we can do that using the FOIL method. And we would get x squared plus 5x minus 3x. So combining those, we'd get plus 2x minus 15. Okay, now to change this into vertex form, we need to complete the square. To do that, I'm going to take my coefficient in front of the x term, cut it in half, and square it. Well, half of 2 is just 1, and 1 squared is, of course, just 1. So what that means is we're going to both add and subtract 1 inside the equation there. Now the whole value of that is this x squared plus 2x plus 1 is factorable as a perfect square, and that would become x plus 1 squared. We could then combine this minus 1 minus 15 into a single term, which is negative 16 or minus 16. And lo and behold, we have changed it into vertex form, and we can see that matches option D as our correct answer. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.